Lysol's fight to protect is ever-changing, and the spread of viruses and bacteria in the air has quickly become a concern. Our testing has shown that air fresheners simply can't kill viruses and bacteria in the air. Lysol partnered with experts to create rigorous testing protocol measures for Lysol Air Sanitizer, the first antimicrobial product approved by the EPA to effectively kill 99.9% of viruses and bacteria and eliminate odors in the air. Use Lysol Air Sanitizer in rooms in your home. Close all doors, windows, and be sure to follow usage instructions. Shake the can before use, then hold it upright and continuously spray for 30 seconds toward the center of the room. Leave the room to allow Lysol to sanitize the air. You can now enter the room to reopen the doors and windows. Lysol, what it takes to protect.